Busted, busted.
Get off my ass. Oh, yes, please, 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 please. Please.
This is a cop?
Yep, that black Tahoe.
Going
yes! Yes! Fuck yes. Though, coming up behind him.
Good thing fucking karma's on your side.
That was...
Could you imagine Murphy's Law for you right there?
Again, that's 1-800-900-8313.
Warning, if you're drowning in debt you can't afford, do not let the credit card companies trick you into thinking that you have to pay it all back, because you don't. What the credit card companies don't want you to know is that there's actually a way to get debt-free without paying off your entire debt or going bankrupt. If you have $5,000 or more in credit card debt, you now have the right to let us settle that debt for a fraction of what you owe. For free information...
Rodriguez, CBS News.
This just in, to K1W News Radio 1060. Series vandalism hitting a Philadelphia landmark. Joining us from the newsroom, K1W's
into this, what the Union League is calling a criminal act.
Yes!
The Union League is cooperating with police, and they have this...
Yes!
Images there that they are sharing with the police. But again, this is at the Union League. The steps right in front of the building have been damaged. A spokeswoman for the Union...
What? Oh my god, that is awesome.
Holy fuck!
La 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 la.
That was 2007 or 8. Hit him. Oh, he hit him. He hit him.
You hit him?
Oh man, I almost wanted. Arrgh. And the cop pulled him over, and he was trying to cut over to get out of the way because he didn't want the ticket. He just hit the guy. Nice. He's done.
刚才那个叫加速特快的那个人，就刚才那个开那个小车加速特快的那个，他连错了，不是要追他对。
You don't believe in that rubbish. I don't believe in that rubbish. You know what I believe in? You. I believe that you, with the help of Home Buyers Centre, can get that first home happening for about the same as you're paying in rent. What have you got to lose? You're a loan-getting, land-finding, home-building winner. So don't be a renter.
You could win a private party for you and 77 friends, valued at $10,000. Snap yourself on your next visit and hashtag 7 Years of Spice on Facebook or Instagram. Spice Market, Beanie Lane, Melbourne. Conditions apply. Must be 18 years or older to enter.
Statistic. Did it do that for you? Yeah. Here's how long.
Totally illegal. Idiot.
I don't even know who's behind you.
Yes, tailgating me pretty bad. Oh! Karma! Sucker!
I'm not gonna help him.
I hope he doesn't. His tires don't put dirt on my car.
Are you serious? Fucking J-turns?
Yes!
Ooh, the cop right there too. There's a cop right there.
Oh!
Yes.
Busted!
Oh! I wasn't doing anything. I got that shit on tape. Oh.